How to turn off my birthday notifications for friends on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually turn off your very own birthday notifications for your friends on Facebook. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So basically, first things first, what you might want to do is simply make sure you have actually updated the Facebook app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's respective app stores. In the search box, type in Facebook and then go ahead and simply update the Facebook app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Facebook, I'm going to open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you're also logged into your account. After you are logged in, you could basically see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. And what you can do is, from the top left hand side of the screen, you can simply tap on a profile icon. Now here what you can do is, after you come to this page, there are multiple reasons where we can go and multiple options as well. You could tap on the edit profile button. As we tap on edit profile, you'll be taken to this page. You want to scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here right at the bottom of the screen, you'll find a button which says edit your about info. So we are going to edit our about information, so tap on it once. As you tap on edit your about info, here you want to scroll down to the basic info page. Right here you can see the basic info page, and here you can also see your birthday. What you can do is tap on the edit button on the right hand side, which is highlighted in blue. After you tap on edit, you're going to be taken to this page, and at the top you can see your birthday. And what you can do is, we want to simply change the privacy to only us and only that we are going to be private. Now you could also choose some specific friends if you wanted to. So tap on this privacy icon on the right hand side of the screen, and here you want to simply select your public or friends of friends or friends. Now basically how this works is that if you've actually made your birthday public, it is going to notify everyone on Facebook. If you've actually made your birthday and set it to friends of friends, it would notify your friends as well as friends of friends. If you set it to only friends, it is actually going to notify only friends. So what you could basically do is simply tap on this more options, and when you change your privacy to only me, it is not going to notify anybody when your birthday is coming. So you could also go ahead and tap on this button, tap on more options, and then select only me. When you set it to only me, basically Facebook doesn't let anybody notify that it is your birthday and will keep it very private. Now what you can do is, at the bottom you can come and then tap on save, and this is basically how it works. You would actually have to make your birthday completely private in order to turn off your birthday notifications for other friends on Facebook. This was the way to turn off my birthday notifications for friends on Facebook. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.